Igbo Igbo ekele m ụnụ Lolo Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu anyị na-ewetakwara ụnụ ọnọdụ Igbo. Onye m jiri bịa n'ụtụtụ a maka Ikenga Uruagu maka enwere video mere specifically for me, and usually I am like to respond to most of this nonsense and I akọwa, but enwere ihe Ikenga kwuru m chọrọ respond to. Now Ikenga chọrọ m ịgwa gị na I am a member of IPOB. In compare with Madam Social is off. Go and 1 year we're a member of IPOB, and I'm sure now, as a human being, you question in a Cuban, you question before you join IPOB, because as around 2016 or something, in the Kenya branch of IPOB, one boy, my pedigree, then I grab number IPOB, because number one, I like to promote to Martin Nnamdi Muamana, there will be trouble, he will attract trouble rather than sympathy. Attract sympathy from people around you and from the world at large. But okuya na than Ike and unable propaganda anyhow, and then also you can't question them. So I stayed away from it. You can get from 2012 you were a member of IPOB below your IPOB till 2023 or 2022. Ndị Igbo matanya m from 2019. Biko onye ọbụla na-ege m ntị, this video ga dị long, so I implore you to listen to the end. Ana m promote ihe Igbo mgbe m nwere inspiration ịrụ ọrụ ịgbatara maka anyị yasara yasa. Then Ipob ndị mmadụ tiri uche with Nnamdi Kanu ịgba ọsọ and the rest of oteji egbuchi ndị mmadụ a na-abịa protest agbagbuchi ụmụ mmadụ and the rest of it, you know, and him jumping bell, because I call it jumping bell. Achọrọ m ihe onye ọbụla chọrọ ikwu gbapụ obodo oyibo ka na okwu ebe ahụ na-ekwukwe things that they incited. So I'm not really a fan of Nnamdi Kanu, to be honest with you, but I like him here. At least I have a creator when they're pokonata our youth. So I was thinking, no, here I got Bajunia Olu, or Yamuniki against it, Ndo Kenya Baji Olu, or a movement. At least I get to protect on my whereby the Kataraka, and the European OPC, how when I grew, even the Europe were not there. How many pokonata their youth among we have 1 hour. Man, you won't do what if I do only people when they keep on IPOB. So I believe that over time they can work on themselves, just like where IPOB they were worse than where OPC had the worse than IPOB. Why did IPOB? Rather, the government was climbing down on IPOB unarmed. OPC waga filling station circle. How about all of their leader, their founder, Frederick Fashion, how about hospital Yorko? How a lot of their leaders were born in Maro? How many a lot of things, but Ndo Kenya have their Jikwa today. On the OPC, there's so many estates, and attention at Lagos State. You know, how guide the Lagos State. It might interest you to know that all time now issue when insecurity and I had around their shame. So I believe that IPOB when he go to that. In MMG if you must know, when insecurity was ravaging us, now leave and I'm a hair by Naga. Only war like question my effort because I could it too much. In your blame, I saw ESN IPOB. Man, I several groups never operate there. And when Umoma, and when do two answer the cable, and when a Babago, and Diamond of a name, I want non government. And now, the whole of this group we are built to destroy IPOB. Chotakan imagine Nnamdi Kanu, Emily arrest to also destroy IPOB. Now, you can get your major gratitude. This is a question in Nigeria, or because I want none and leave. Nke menu kwa so won the IPOB na eme on the ESN na eme nda na ebuchi no kwa so on the ESN na ebu a I'm sure no one on ali Igbo ke kidnap this student na gwa we can go that as no ndi Igbo kidnap, and if nigga you go ahead kwa ndị mene the kidnapping gina ijele ona apart from nigga gina ijele nti kedi you na eja only on IPOB na ESN kun na narrow your report on, no matter here any other part of Nigeria on the report on it. Now, it's like I'm taking you, Ikenga come Georgie. Get it is where so much information. So it means one thing. You are there, you have your own group, you have your own killer squad na Libo. Because you were an insider. And now I'm begging him to Trawuna. Yes, I back I'm saying Nnamdi Kanu. Do you know Nnamdi Kanu? Before I gave potassium in the freedom fight, Niga Quadro Fuma. Name and arrest Kwam for him to come out by fire by force. Yeah, Rezo, a militant group, Biafra Liberation Army. Sigo Konalibu, just to force the Southeast governors and the leaders, Gaga pressurize their government to work. That was the essence of building Simon Ekpa and Biafran Liberation Army. So, differentiate here. And I'm like it can improve. A member of ESN. The ESN obodo ha gara mee ihe they confirmed. I mean, you when we here now news no sponsor about me. Because that news about me was sponsored by state actors. Yes. Because of the news, media men report. In order to suppress that news, how we bore nonsense news about me. Oh yeah, we go to some of our Igbo people, they gullible. They habaya into the news of and what age be with wine and Kenya and they might see for something new. Then we are suppressed, so it's what the news Ikenga come drag you. In my MG, when we were not in the corner, your report the one-sided. Ikenga can do the bara go to talk or the military. You have never reported it in your exposition. Because I am victims and came over my own report and maga on ground. Why do you make it look as if I'm the report for IPOB? Or is it because I'm clear and all the IPOB name no? Oh yeah, we need to now work with IPOB now. With Madam Social Brana IPOB, yeah, my hand under IPOB minute. Ikenga can get over on the IPOB name Madochi ship, hey, will let it. On the IPOB name Madochi ship, hey, will Ijele. Open and the IPOB name Madotunuji, who will case, and the rest of you now blackmail. But unfortunately, he will any of you. So, Katia gets a boom, number and again. Nnamdi support Nnamdi Kanu with my money in them, they may welcome Kanjamias in my capacity as only, but not as an IPOB member. Just like in Kenya report, in your capacity as only, will you choose in Kitorime? This is what I choose to do. Okay? Now, in a kuna, Najo Manga Moja by ESL. And when any mother get quick and wear by ESL. In fact, and when any mother get quick and wear by Army. And when the neck way get little was some Mama Army come to live by Yakote. And when any modern way get little was some Mama police come to live by Yakote. So also, and when any mother, in fact, most of them on IPO, then on ESL, then on Hamaho, is what they choose. So, either this blackmail, emotional blackmail on my person, I'm getting one by ESN or Warala. If one man bring about IPOB, when they grown up, and I don't control what they do. How many parents are not on IPOB safe? So for you to wickedly use that narrative, Namnasi, yes, they can arrest me if they like. Come to Canada, prescribe for IPOB. Why at least one in a hair push like a prescribe when I fly his men. Hey, but I say I'm quitting in or can prescribe when I swap Boko Haram, Kediana continue OPC. If you now when I would have the last 2 months, it can get report to take a prescribe one. Kediho Jao, IPOB can prescribe. I started to prescribe IPOB and MN ESN. I started to prescribe IPOB, members of IPOB can Babushi, having a protest. So your report, the one-sided. Now can imagine Nnamdi Kanu will or imagine Nnamdi Kanu and Hemete, which is what I'm trying to make people understand the kind of a person imagine Nnamdi Kanu. No work when you hide or more nature and given an IPOB, we were to Patana. In here on a crowd would in make it about convince them mad. Okay, right now, that's not how to institutionalize IPOB. Let me tell you why you're Deka. And I'm a attack. And when he him after Mazen Nnamdi Garanka, she from IPOB put a show on how a terrorist organization. You hardly hear Mazi Chika Edozem Kuku. And I've listened to China Sanworu severally. And the quest to save our nation and our people. It can get a cheap one now. Imagine and the Fulani herdsmen. No more here in the bush in the mud. Why need report to be here? I've seen you defend them, one or wash it. In a cheap one, you report to the men and Zagan and damn is Nahana against the ESN. What would Oko? I know Quadozia. I'm not against that on the ESN. How to ban the ESN? Manigas you war Bodoko, render our villages useless. Or I can damage to a trial of Sin Hitopper, not ESN. On damage on Dossi Hitopper. Go on ground. Even on South Africa. Can I never say no? Nay, report here, Menolo. Then one not no longer. Every hen, Ndi and Kuoku. So your own media is joining because Nigerian government now quote the Nigerian media houses so what they don't report in Yemen and legal. Hana here report in Yemen and legal. Why na ndị media aga na Ezeagu ga report ihe mere na Ezeagu? I went there. That young man na agbara ụlọ ya ọkụ nọ na detention kamgbe 15th of May. Today ọ ka nọ na detention. Gịnị ka o mere? Onye agbara ụlọ ya ọkụ, gba business ya ọkụ, nwunye ya mụọ nwa by force labor. Ikenga ka ịkwụ ebe ịkwụ na-akwado ihe ndị amị na-eme. Then nọ n'ebe ahụ na blackmail ESN. And let me shock you. The locals nọ dị agwụ ọnụ ha kwuo na kemgbe ndị ESN kwara bata dị na ndị Fulani na-egbu ha egbu ala. Then you can play this video. Ikenga ama na ịhụ ya mana ọwụ ọsọ n'ihe ndị na-report na ọgụ na ndị Fulani herdsmen gburu mmadụ and na-ege ya Ikenga achọ m ka unu gee ya.
Some of the villagers are doing riots. They have blocked all the road, both left and the right. The army people is trying to stop them, you know. There is no movement. We are in Ogu Junction. We are going back to Aba from Enugu. Don't know what is going on. That is the case, that is the point.
Ihe na-eme ebe a Ikenga, for your information, ka mbido ya n'isi.
And just kill some of the villagers and brought their corpse in the roads. And some of the villagers are doing riots. They have blocked all the road, both left and the right.
Now, Ikenga, ịhụrụ ya now. Ihe a na-eme yesterday or day before yesterday. Na Fulani herdsmen gburu villagers. Ndị amị kwesịrị ịbazi n'ọhịa chọwa Fulani herdsmen. Now stop the villagers from protesting. And here and I get ending at this protest. You can't have any statement from the state government. You can't have any statement from anybody. You know, you can't get mad that I cannot report this. Even if you have so wash it, you need to defend the federal government, no matter the atrocity, you defend them. Then they make exposition on IPOB and ESF. You can't give una agemeru maha. All under IPOB ebubegi. Hebubehi jele, hebubehi case, hebubehi any government official. You can't go and go like a boom because you were your own killer squad. The exposition he's seeing, I'm still wondering what teaching wanted this exposition without being a member and without being on ground and without having boys on ground. Then in the game, I already know state governors in the southeast and federal government because the report name have effect. In the most of our governors family are abroad, so we have much interest. For Alibo, most of our politicians, Alibo will have a platform to get to government and pack money. So now, I don't know why it is appointed on your black and one we can give one advice from and we can have one abalika. Continue I'm already ready. It was for me to come out near reporting him near reports. I'm a Mihesiano. Okay? So go on a report of what you might be. So I can assure you, IPOB, my IPOB woman, I can assure you of that. Then a woman won't do to go to the Biafra depression. I mean, do to to the Yahoo. And on their blacklist, here they go high and try himself. Federal government, no time has she called, they can take me out. Cast non deal with Macacalo. So I already know. I recommend them near Chineken and Akamaniam, not take what you can go 911 deal. Problem I do go run or do go running. In him to wear Corsica, a power ESN, now, I can have no one for never. Now the governors, new leaders should come together, can find there a lasting solution. Or we say now, I get my adopt ESM. What do you about my adopt OPC Kudocha? I'm like I get Hanes and a little hanya. Man, I can't wait for so many people, man, that's all how woman because here now no on your look at the Yakulonia look at Yakuli and went on your man Kewunke. So you can't go in him new Kumana and I may take any day order. The rest are short, or don't the ESN. Maka, Mina, one on the Ipob, I'm not their member, and the main okay, but Anamenya Hankwato, Achom Kawashi who look at Haji, IPOB, cannot run that one umbrella, and Yacho any other movement to Sana to try and win on your like Yana make up on your day. Then I push where on a federal government cannot prescribe ISWAP, cannot prescribe Boko Haram, can even go as far as rehabilitation, if you pay rehabilitating Boko Haram, where an army, Yense her official in here, he commit to a city jihad, and don't damn your protection at Southeast, or I can have a bagacho Budayo, so you can get Isonego, Nanda contractor, Maka jihad name and Alibu. You might be doing it innocently, but I am not cheap Bauna, Isonia Nande, a contractor. ọwụ na mgbe chọpụtara ihe Kanu na-eme adịghị mma na iji nwayọọ nye aka ka emepe masị mechie ihe emeche aga m like ya. I will not be deceived. Like ya, I got on go a contract and which in the match. That is your job. So I contract I give you don't divert attention. You can carry out your killing. Join on and in a Maki were a member of IPOB and this show when I ES and issue any lemon. Okay, give but who's going on there. Just say videos your own kegiche. Whatever your nonsense position. Now cover up. It will be on a honania. I can arrow, I will saw what they would.